Hello and welcome to another training video on how to use the Maths Whiteboard but also the Blank Whiteboard sites. Now typically the Maths Whiteboard and the Blank Whiteboard I would use in school because they are generally involving just my instruction and something that I can obviously display from my iPad onto an interactive board. The idea of ClassShare was mainly developed through a lot of online teaching, and I really wanted students to be able to sort of like see my whiteboard, but also for me to see theirs. ClassPads, on the other hand, can be used both in online lessons but also within the classroom, and I'm going to make great use of this when we do go back into school, simply because we have a bring your own device policy in our school. So in order to sort of like focus on one aspect of this site in today's lesson, I've got the same setup as what I've had in previous videos, where my iPad is the host in a Teams meeting, and then I've got a student on the slightly larger screen seeing exactly what's on my iPad. Now for today, I want to focus on the Blank Whiteboard and how I can use this within either an online lesson or back in the classroom. One particular aspect that was recently added to the site was the ability to write over other people's websites. Now here I've got a Corbett Maths worksheet open, so I'm just going to quickly copy this link and post it into my website and click on the refresh link, and within a few seconds it will then load. Okay, so now that the worksheet has loaded, I'm going to scroll down to the page that I perhaps want to scribble over. I'm going to select the pen tool. This brings up my tools along the bottom, and the pen is already selected. That way, as soon as I start writing on my screen 4y plus 8, you can then instantly see that it's kind of like a canvas over the website itself. This is great for obviously taking those sort of like plenary questions from other websites and easily importing them into your team's lesson. I'm really interested to know whether you've been using the Blank Whiteboard or even the Maths Whiteboard in any other particular way. Please do leave it in this thread, any other ideas that I could perhaps create a video on or demonstrate. Thank you for watching.